Guys, I'm Kate. My project is about the interplay between macrophages and tumor cells in glioblastoma. Glioblastoma is a deadly brain tumor, which has very limited treatment options. So my project is focusing on the receptor tyrosine kinase axis and how it can be targeted on both tumor cells and on macrophages. Our research team consists of me. I'm a fourth year PhD student in the Cancer and Cell Biology program, as well as a research scientist, an MT medical student, and an undergrad. I would be very happy to welcome you to our lab. As a mentee, you would be learning molecular and cell biology techniques such as immunoblotting, RT-qPCR, glioblastoma, cell culture, as well as maybe a small amount of bioinformatics. But don't worry, you won't need to code anything. As for what I'm looking for in a mentee, I would like someone who has a strong STEM background, has a strong work ethic, and is excited to learn. If you don't have much experience, it's completely fine. You can start from the ground up. As for potential deliverables, my lab participated in the SURF program last year. I was a mentor for that, and that was a really beneficial experience. So we will most likely do that again. And I can't promise anything, but there is a chance that you could be an author on a publication that I'm currently working on. Um, yeah, I hope that was helpful. And look forward to speaking to you in the future.